how to make a holey cube. So first of all, click on File, New Part, click on the top plane, right click, Show Top Plane, click on Sketch, make sure the plane's highlighted, then click on to Center Rectangle, click into the center, dot appears orange, click, drag, click on Smart Dimension, click onto the line. It should highlight orange, but in this it hasn't. Click, type in 100, and you can type in Enter or the tick button. Again, second side, click, drag, click, 100, and then click on tick. Next step is from this, click onto Features, click on Extruded Boss Face, and you can drag the arrow up or type in 100. With your mouse button you can zoom out with a rolling mouse button. Click on the face, click on Sketch, Circle. If you press spacebar, you can click onto any view. You can click onto the top view or normal to. Normal to will take you to the top orientation. Click into the center, click, drag, click on Smart Dimension, making sure the Smart Dimension is clicked in. Click onto the outside of the circle, should highlight orange. Click, drag, click, make this 50, tick, and you can, with your mouse button, rotate this or press spacebar and click on Isometric View. Click on Features, Extruded Cut, drag the arrow all the way out. The next step is to make a hole on the second face. So there's two ways you can do this. First method is you click onto the face, press spacebar, normal to, sketch a circle. Now you'll notice there is no midpoint, so you need to sketch the circle, and then with the Smart Dimension you can move the circle into the middle. So I'm first going to place, so that's 50, that's 48.50, so I'll make that 50, and then I'll dimension this circle 50. Again, Features, rotate this, Extrude Cut, tick. The second method is you click onto the face, click on Sketch, and you create a center, you create a midpoint using the center line. So if you click on the center line, it should select onto the center. If I zoom in, you can see. So click, do one horizontally. So click onto the center, click onto the center. So now you have your midpoint. Click on the center, circle, and Smart Dimension this into 50. And then click onto Features, Extruded Cut. Then save this file, save as holey cube. To make an unholy cube, so again, File, New Part, repeat the steps. So top plane, center rectangle, Smart Dimension, 100, click, 100, Features, Extruded Boss Face, 100, tick, Sketch. First of all, click on the top face, click on the circle, click, drag 50. This time it will be Extruded Boss Face, so we'll make that 50. Zoom out, tick. Same thing on the next face, so again, Sketch. This time I'll be using my center line. I could rotate this, so spacebar, normal to, find the midpoint, center line, midpoint, circle, and extrude that 50. Next face, click, sketch, center line, just click, then on your mouse button you can press the right button, click on select, to deselect. We just do two sides from this method in this video. Then click on features, extrude boss base, automatically selects 50, click on tick, and then save this as holey cube. Save this as this should have been unholy, the first one should have been unholy cube. We'll save this unholy. Okay, next thing is we need to assemble these two parts. So if I click on file, make assembly from part, click onto the holey cube, then insert component, click on insert component, holey cube, wrong one, unholy cube, insert component, unholy cube. Then we need to make this, so we need to click onto move component, click on the arrow, click on rotate, rotate the shape, click on this paperclip item, link, and then you just select the faces that you want to mate. So I want to mate this face with this face, tick, this side with this side, tick, and at this stage you can see that the cube will move up and down. So if I want this to be locked, I'll click onto this face and mate it with this face, and then click on tick, and then you can save this as assembly. And if you want to add material, just click onto the appearance panel here, click on, you can click onto any material. Let's click on some plastic, and then you can just drag and drop material onto your shape. Save all.